Hey guys, this is Alex, back with the Padlock series. eBay box of padlocks. What the hell is this? Okay, this is a Chicago. See if we can get it to focus. It's pretty good. Chicago lock company. Chicago, Illinois, made in the USA, hardened. Shackle seems to move. Has some writing on the top, US patent something something. And here's the keyway. It appears to be a wafer lock. And it appears to have a little red on it and various stampings that don't mean anything to me. So, wafer lock, we should be able to open that, right? Right? Okay, so let's give that a go. So, first of all, let's find out what's going on inside here. Little diamond. First of all, we want to see if we have any mobility of these wafers. Ugh. And they do seem to move, and they, to the extent that they move, they do seem to spring back on their own power. So, and this is a Chicago, so it probably has doubles, no? Okay, well, we'll give it a go. May have to give it a little bit of lubrication, but oh look, the plug turns. Hey, that's good. That's always a good first sign when the plug turns. So let's give it a go. Wow. More leverage maybe. This is where one of those little jigglery things would be a little bit handy. But I don't really have any of those. Okay, I am going to put a little bit of the Bosnian Bill Super Secret oil in here because I keep getting yelled at for the other product that I tend to use. And we'll give that a little massage. Maybe loosen her up a little bit, get some of the snakes out of there. Okay. Okay. Looks like a false set already, but we know it's a wafer lock, so it can't be a false set in this type of deal. So, I'm not getting much on the top here. Let's try the bottom. One thing with wafer locks, you usually can manipulate the pins or the wafers in either direction, which is occasionally handy, like now. Having trouble getting these to even move. I think I got it to lock more there. Why don't we try something with a little bit more leverage, as the folks in Britain would say. I don't know if they'd say that actually. They might. I would say leverage. This is getting humiliating. Hey, I don't need counter meld. I don't need counter meld chambers to feel bad about myself though. I can just get a bunch of cheap locks off of eBay. Oh my, apparently. just got sensor moved. Felt like I had a little bit of rotation. There may be a reason why some of these locks have been in this box. It could be that they're basically not functional.
I just send you what I've done, so I'll do that. Yeah.
Is that a concern? Maybe it goes the other way. I hadn't thought of that. Last time I tried this, it didn't work. It is a wafer lock. Maybe it doesn't even bother. Maybe it doesn't care which way it goes. No, get in there. Okay. We've got nothing. So let's try another technique. Which often works with wafer locks, which is rake-shaped things. I think the springs are shot in this. I heard something click. That's a good thing. Could also be the penetrating oil is doing its job. Ooh, it's starting to feel better. I got something. More something.
I'll be quiet and let you guys let that rally now. Okay. Guys?
Just sort of going on the bottom, see if there's anything going on down there. Not really much of anything. Okay. Top tension. Are you gonna make me shim this lock, guys? Come on, really? It's an American-made lock. This should not have failed like this. And I know it's not this secure. You know what's wrong? One of the wafers is actually under spring tension. Either that or they all want to go the other direction. All right. So we're learning something here, guys. Oh my God, 9 minutes? Jesus Christ. I suck. Okay, so let's try down here first. Maybe it is a double-sided lock. This is just silly.
The contact for the IT side for using the hosted rally. Right.
Okay, that was a set on pin on wafer number 1. So maybe I'm just being an idiot. There it is. I was being an idiot. Okay, so we'll have to fast forward to the not being an idiot part. But there we go. That is open. It is probably key retaining, believe it or not, based on the detainer mechanism. So, yep. No, it's not. It's not key retaining. So, but it is now open. So there we go. Chicago Lock Company wafer lock. Helps if you know what you're doing, apparently. Basically looking in the keyway, I only saw wafers sticking down from the top, so I presumed that it was just one-sided, but after further poking around, it became clear that two-sided. Anyway, open. So another one bites the dust. Thanks for watching. This is Alex. Have fun, and as always, keep it legal. Cheers.